welcome to my first video ever. I am Princess Joe or Jordan. A little bit about myself. I'm 23 years young. I love fashion. I love music. I love movies. Get me into gaming. I love gaming. And I definitely love hair, obviously. Like, that's where it combines it all, right? So I actually started doing hair back in 2020 when we were in quarantine. I was learning how to do certain hairstyles like box braids because I really just wanted to try something new during that time. We were in lockdown for almost 2 years, and then probably like mid of 2023 I started posting content on TikTok. I've been doing that a little bit under a year now, and some of my videos been doing pretty well. If you guys want, you can go follow my TikTok and my Pinterest here. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to achieve this butterfly lock look. I love this hairstyle because this is my third time doing this hairstyle and it comes out good every single time. Like, I love this hairstyle. It never disappoints me. And every time I go somewhere, someone's always like, "Oh, did you do that hairstyle? I love your hair." All the compliments, you know, like, girl, stop. But if you are ready to see the tutorial, please keep on watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and let's get started.
coming soon to me. No parking in LA. So I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe. Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Cut the show. I'm done.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob said?
Thank you to everyone who watched and clicked on this video. I appreciate all of you. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And make sure you let me know what hairstyles you guys want me to try next, because I am so ready to try any hairstyle y'all throw at me, okay? But I'll see you guys later. Bye!
My past can't escape me. My pussy